Good afternoon, I'm Brandy Johnson, Executive Director of the Michigan College Access Network. We're incredibly fortunate to have the Kresge Foundation as our strongest philanthropic partner. Kresge's support has leveraged public support for Michigan's college access agenda, which in turn has catalyzed additional philanthropic support from dozens of community and private foundations. MCAN's mission is to increase college readiness, enrollment, and completion in Michigan, particularly among low-income students, first-generation college-going students, and students of color. MCAN serves as an intermediary organization and seeks to mobilize a larger college access movement statewide. Our network rallies around a set of common goals and a set of measurable values. MCAN and our local affiliates, known as Local College Access Networks, or LCANs, are united around 4 values. First, that college is post-secondary education. MCAN uses the term college to refer to the attainment of valuable post-secondary credentials beyond high school, including professional and technical certificates, associate degrees, and bachelor's degrees. We know that college is a necessity, not a luxury, and that post-secondary education is a prerequisite to success in a knowledge-based economy. Everyone must pursue and complete a post-secondary credential or degree beyond high school. And we do mean everyone. The post-secondary education attainment rates among low-income students and students of color are significantly lower than those of their counterparts, and MCAN is committed to closing these gaps. And finally, MCAN knows that college access is a public good, that post-secondary educational opportunity and attainment are critical to a just and equitable society, strong economy, and healthy communities. Our network also shares a common goal to increase the percentage of Michigan working age adults with college degrees or post-secondary credentials to 60% by 2025. This goal was chosen because it aligns with our projected labor market demands. According to labor economists, within the next 10 years, 62% of all jobs in Michigan will require post-secondary education. We have a long way to go. Only 37.4% of Michigan adults have an associate degree or higher. The good news is that we are trending in the right direction, especially among young people. The bad news is that we must accelerate our pace if we are going to reach our big goal. MCAN tracks our progress toward our big goal as well as other leading indicators on our dashboard, which is available on our website. We also are very happy to pull local data and disaggregated data for your specific communities. While our movement is still too new to have demonstrated dramatic needle-moving progress on degree attainment, Michigan communities are certainly seeing impressive results in terms of college readiness, college accessibility, and college enrollment. You will hear from a number of these communities today. On behalf of MCAN, I extend our deepest thanks for your investments, and I will now turn it over to Eileen, who will illustrate some of the great college access work going on in Bay County. I have the pleasure of sharing with you that Eileen is not only the CEO of the Bay Area Community Foundation, but also MCAN's newest member of our board of directors. Eileen.